What's up, y'all? So I'm about to show y'all my skincare routine. So first off, I use makeup wipes or like a facial cleanser wipe just to clean my face and make sure like I get all the excess like makeup off or whatever, or like any dirt or anything that's just on my face. Now I'm just wetting my face with a warm towel just to open up my pores. Now I'm about to use some Shea Moisture African black soap. It don't have to be Shea Moisture. You can use whatever kind of black soap you want. I prefer the African black soap because I just know it'll work real well. And look, it's so smooth. It leaves my skin like looking and feeling good, y'all. This is how I like to apply my bar soap on my face. Don't judge me, judge your mama, because I wash it off when I'm done, you know. Like, it's easier to do it this way, so yeah, boom. So I usually use my little face brush scrubber thing and like use it to, you know, clean my face or whatever, but I didn't do it in this video. I just used my towel to like get the soap off and everything, so yeah. Now I'm about to go on my Cetaphil, however you pronounce it, tomato, potato, or however that saying go, gentle skin cleanser. Now I'm about to use my face brush scrubber thing. I don't know the proper name for it, but I'm about to just go in and, you know, massage it all around my face. Y'all, I don't know what just happened there. Yeah, I don't know. But anyways, make sure y'all change y'all brush heads. And I like this one because it has like multiple settings. So like I can choose like, okay, I want it to go faster, I want it to go slower, so yeah. So I rinsed the stuff off my face with some warm water. So now I'm taking a cotton swab and some witch hazel, and I'm about to just dab it on my face. And don't mind me, I'm slow. The thing wasn't even open, so make sure y'all open it before y'all try to use it. Also, do not open it like I did because, once again, I'm an idiot. Do not use your mouth. Luckily, none of it got on my mouth, but yeah. I just like to fan it dry a little bit just to make sure it gets in my pores and everything. So yeah. Now I'm about to go in with some By Nature Vitamin C face serum. And I'm just squirting a few drops on my face. And I'm about to just rub it in. And here we go. Exhibit C of me being an idiot once again. What the heck? How did I get it in my eye? Now I'm going to moisturize my face with some Cetaphil face moisturizer. I also like to use African shea butter. I just feel like it makes my skin really smooth. So yeah. Now I'm using By Nature's Vitamin C and Turmeric face oil. I had to put on some Carmax with my skincare routine because you know you can't have dry lips. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.